What is up, guys? It's your boy, No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the 2 Minute Drill, guys. Today we started day one of the pullback. Is it going to be short-lived? Do we pull back further? I don't fucking know. Okay, the only thing I do know is tomorrow we have ADP employment, which will be very important because anything that has to do with the jobs market or anything that has to do with the price of any goods, services, for the consumer or the producer are important, i.e. CPI, PPI, PC, etc. But anything that's to do with the job markets, why? Really quick recap. All the Fed wants to care about is how the fuck the job market is doing, how expensive shit is. That's how they fluctuate the Fed funds rate. Okay, boom, lesson over. TED Talk done. But ADP employment tomorrow. Now that's just ADP. However, they are the largest payroll running software service in the world, I believe. A lot of businesses that I've used and ran have used ADP. So nonetheless, we also have manufacturing services PMI. ADP number will be important. That comes out 45 that comes out an hour and 15 minutes prior to the market open. Trade deficit will be interesting, coming out an hour before the open. US services PMI and ISM services 15 and 30 minutes post market open respectively. You know me, like today, guys, like today was a perfect example. When did we take those putas? We took them when? After the market data came out. Why did we take them? We knew very simply what we knew. Well, we had the level drawn. We knew that 411.50, really yesterday's high area, did not get taken out after the data. We had that in the plan. I took that level off because it's not really relevant now, but that 411.50 where we really went rejected, never got through that high. Never got through that high, even after the data. So we knew, and we rode putas all the way down to the lows. What was the other level we had marked? Let me just now zoom out. Let's go to the 1 hour. We said 407.50 was going to be a level. And was that a level? Absolutely it was. You could see over here, right? That 407.50 was level, went down, touched in it today. And now we are continuing a balance in this zone. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. Is this rally over? Did we go down, touch a support? That's all we needed. Maybe now we get scooting, booting, tooting all the way up to what's above 412 was the pre-market high. Don't have it marked here, but it's about 413. We knew that supply level was big. Why? From the what? 4 hour. Talked about it on the Sunday sermon. Zoom out, look left. When in doubt, zoom out, look left. You'll always see a level of major supply or demand, and that will let you know what you want to do. So even if all you did after this breakout here was like, I'm just going to wait until 412 prints. Yeah, you'd have to wait 3 days, but still a great trade. A great trade. We bought Friday, Thursday's expires now. So 2 days to expire. They went bonkers, 95 cents to like 3 at the highs, something like that. Stupid. If you played a 0 day, absolutely bananas. Okay. If you wait and you are patient for your trade setup to develop and come into your bid or come into your ask, right? They come into your position. If you just sat up here waiting to sell, get short, whatever, you would have made a killing today, but you had to have patience. Okay, you had to have patience. We knew, though, data came out. We did not make new highs. We didn't get through the pre-market high on the gap up. Gap fill rules were in play. We did actually fill the gap down to about 411 that we kept on going. We knew 407 was big. Now, what happens tomorrow? If we break it, this is all I'm worried about. Yeah, we've got all that data. That's fine. More than likely, I'll be waiting until it's all done, right? It's all done. But this is what I'm going to be looking at tomorrow. Either we break through the highs of the week or we break through 407. It's very well we could spend some time up here chopping as well. We could. Look, the market trends and the market consolidates. We had huge rip up. Now, do we find balance up here? It's possible. Where could this, I would ask this, if we want to know, hey, where could we pull back to further if we break and hold under that 407? Well, just a simple fib retrace. I would just say, hey, look, what happened today? I'm only going to do it from the cash. I'm not going to put this 413 high in here, but I'm going to say, look, we could get down to 402.88. That's that 402.50 level we've been talking about. You could see it right here highlighted is the 50. I like the 61.8 to 76.8. So 61.8 is 400. We know 399, 400 was a level. We also know 396 was a level in here. So you could kind of throw some levels in there for some areas of confluence if we get that low. As far as tomorrow goes, though, if we double top 412, 413, you'll want to take the reject. Okay, you only take the call side if we break and hold above that level. Let's go to the 1 hour here, so we can just zoom out just a tad. Just a tad. Yeah, we don't even need all that garbage on that left side. Okay, this is all we need. Boom. Do you see this huge imbalance we basically just came down to fill today, right? This huge hourly candle, we want to come down and film it. Now, you either want to look tomorrow. Two things are going to happen. I think we'll either have a liquidity grab like we did to the upside here today. This is a liquidity grab, right? We have a double top here today, gap up, get above it just a little bit, enough to get everybody to get long. Market maker loads the downside where everybody piles into the long side. Everyone, now he has enough trade to take it. He has enough liquidity to take it down. Now we came down to this demand zone. So do we bounce back up and get up and test that 412, 413? Possibly. I'd be looking for a possible huge double top there. Initially take the reject. However, if we break and hold above that 413 now, 412.75, which was that pre-market high. So call it 413, play it, say break and hold above, you target 415. If not, look for the double top reject possible to happen, especially if we gap up. Okay, look for a possible double bottom at 407.25. Now, if we want to break and hold below, you hold, and your target now is about 3 points lower. You're gonna look at that 405.50. We could see it was the high of this day, then it was almost the low of this day, but basically we're gonna have a couple of gaps in here from this major fucking run up we had last week, right? There is actually a mini gap in here, 403, 404.38. There is a little gap down here, right? 401.64, and there's a major gap right here. Okay, from 498 all the way down here to 496. So pay attention to those gaps as well. But as far as the game plan for tomorrow, and keep it short, simple, sweet, and to the point, you're going to look at 407 to hold for a double bottom. Okay, or the break and hold below, you target 405.50. If that 405.50 breaks, you target 402. Okay, look for the double top 412. If 413 breaks and holds, you get long. That's it, guys. Wake up early, see the data, get your levels right, and don't do anything fucking stupid. We'll see you bright and early